All living organisms need energy in order to survive, and they get this energy from the food that they eat. Plants are organisms that make their own food by using sunlight, water, and minerals from the soil. They are known as producers. However, animals are known as consumers. That is because they are unable to make their own food. Consumers rely, directly or indirectly, on plants and other animals in order to get energy. Some animals consume plants in order to get energy. These animals are called herbivores. They include cows, deer, locusts, and rabbits. And some animals consume other animals for their energy. These animals are called carnivores. They include tigers, lions, and snakes. What is the relationship that ties these living organisms together? Living organisms are connected by nutritional relationships. Together, they represent what we call the food chain. Look at this simple food chain. It begins with the grass that is eaten by the rabbit, who is then eaten by the fox. This is a big food chain. It begins with the grass, which is eaten by the locust, who is then eaten by the frog, who is then eaten by the snake. Finally, the snake is eaten by the falcon. The food chain usually begins with plants, then herbivores, and lastly carnivores. The food chain is represented by the arrows. Conclusion: living organisms are connected by nutritional relationships represented in the food chain.